Well, I'm here to look at a possible hole in the roof. They had somebody tarp it. I don't know anything about who tarped it or what, but it appears somebody cut a tree down or storm damage, I don't know. Smashed up the roof and they tarped it. They told me there was a few holes, one of which being about 5-inch in diameter, which to me could have been a relatively easy repair, but now they tarped the whole section. So they put nails through shingles all the way down the sides, the bottom, and across the top on the back side. So if it is a small localized area that can get a repair, now you got to replace every one of these shingles that they put holes in. Stupid. Ridge cap, holes in it all the way across. If you have a small section of damage, there are different ways you can go about tarping them to protect them. We're now going to have to pull this up because they never even got pictures of it to show me, see what kind of damage it is, and at that point I'll show you what I would have done to simply dry in the small section. Don't make this mistake. Now to me it looks like it could need to be this entire section right here. I don't want to be flat barring every shingle out through this whole area, plus the repair and the ridge cap. We'll probably flat bar out this pattern right here and take this entire slope off since it's over the valley. That's what I'm going to recommend now, because that's going to be a time-consuming, tedious process to repair. We're going to start with where it looked like the tree hit. Closer to this side, near the bottom, I'm guessing somewhere up here's the damage. I hope it was storm damage, because if not, somebody did a really bad job. It doesn't look like they did a good job tarping it soaking wet. Where, oh where is the damage? Are you serious? There's a hole up there near the top. Okay, I'm assuming that's fine. I'm guessing the damage is right here and right here and right here. This could have easily been done by a 4-foot by 6-foot tarp. Could have easily been tucked under this row, or even still just go over this so you have a little minimal damage here. I mean, hell, take a piece of synthetic paper, or if you don't have a roll of synthetic paper, you want to buy a cheap little tarp, drape it right over your affected area, only your affected area, just over the top here, and cap nail this little section off. Then it would have been a very small section to flat bar out, repair a piece of wood, put new shingles in, probably 10-15 pieces of hip and ridge, and you're done. Now there is countless damage in shingles all the way down. You're going to have to flat bar a staggered pattern out, take out a row or two of shingles down here, the whole gable up, and the ridge this whole section. I don't see any other damage anywhere over there. Stupid. And I'd hate to even know what they paid somebody to tarp this. Just a quick little informational video. If you do some damage to a roof or you have some damage done, there's a simple way to tarp just the affected area. I'll show you how to do that. Sorry for the quick cut in the camera. I had a person stop me that lives here, and they said that the tree damage was actually caused due to a storm, but the owner of the property had somebody come out to tarp it. I don't know who that was, but they caused, in my opinion, way more damage than was necessary. Like I was saying, you could have simply tarped just this little spot and been a-okay dry till the repair could get done, which would consist of flat barring out down 4 or 5 feet, replacing a piece of wood and shingling it back. Now you've got to fix the ridge cap from here all the way down, that whole edge, the bottom, all the way up, and either you're gonna flat bar out pieces all the way down and repair it, which is gonna look like crap, or what I'm gonna propose is this whole section get tore off and redone. A pretty costly mistake for a, I don't know, a $15 tarp and some lack of knowledge. So if you're gonna dry in your roof, very small. Now let's say this section right here, the damage there was way down here. Say it was down here. You don't need to tarp that whole thing and do that kind of collateral damage. What you do is you get a flat bar, you pop this shingle free right here, you take your tarp or synthetic paper, whichever, and you shove it up under this, cover your hole just past your hole, and then cap nail it off. Then the repair is only this small little localized section right here. Don't make that mistake. You can keep your repair doable, I guess, affordable. This one's gonna cost them now. I'm not going through the trouble to save them money because I didn't do this stupidity here. Only in Kokomo.